I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Summer Tournament Round 1, Heat 2. Heat 1 saw the Dodge Challenger advance on to the semi-finals. In today's heat, we have another 3 competitors vying for that semi-final spot. First up, we have the 70 Challenger. Speed is everything on Western Raceway. Next up is the 68 Chevy Nova. Has he got what it takes to win here at Mount Western Raceway? And the final car for today's lineup is the 68 Nova. Does he have the guts to take on Mount Western Raceway? The first car to win 3 races advances on to the semi-finals.
Let's do it. Race 1.
Nice clean start. The 70 takes it into the first corner. Great pace here. Excellent run, and hang on a second. They've all decided to stop. So this is a DNF.
Let's go to the replay and have a look at that.
It's a good clean start going into the first turn. The 70 goes high in turn 2 and is in a great position to take for the win. But they've all just pulled up and decided to call him today. Race 1. What happened there?
Race 2.
You need speed here to win a Mount Western Raceway, and the Chevy's out front with the 70 right behind, and into turn 2, and looks like it's going to be the Chevy. Oh no, here comes the 70. What an awesome late charge from the 70 Challenger. 70 Challenger takes out race 2.
Let's go to the replay.
Good early speed going into turn 1. The Chevy's right out in front and he's blocking the other 2 cars. He's all over the track. The 70 wants to overtake. And here comes the 68 Nova. Oh, he's over. And yeah, look, it's just speed on this track. The 70 Challenger just takes this win. Congratulations to 70 Challenger. It's a good start by the cars. The 70 Challenger's out front. He hits that top really hard. Nice speed going into turn 2, and oh, he's over. And here comes the 68 Nova for a win. An easy win by the 68 Nova. 68 Nova takes out race 3.
Let's go to the replay.
That 70 Challenger has some speed. Look, he gets right up high, hits the bottom. I'm surprised he didn't flip over. He's still going strong going into turn 2. And the 68 Nova just overtakes him and goes, thank you very much, I'll take this. Although he's all over the track. The winner's a win though. So there we go, end of race 2. 70 Challenger has 1 win on the board, 68 Nova 1 win.
Race 4.
Nice clean start. The 70 Challenger's out front again. This car is unstoppable. Into turn 2, he's got this all sewn up. An awesome victory by the 70 Challenger. 68 Nova's very close on his heels though.
Let's look at the replay on this one.
The 70 Challenger's right out front. Goes high in that first turn. Almost spins out. He's got early speed going into the straight. Here comes the 68 Nova though, right on his heels. He's trying to catch up. It's the 70 Challenger all the way. There you go, 70 Challenger, 2 wins, 68 Nova 1. 68 Chevy 0 out of race 4.
Race 5.
Oh, the 70 Challenger spins out, blocks both cars. 68 Nova into turn 2. Looks like he's got a victory right here, all on his own. Oh, slams into the wall. Not a bad run by the 68 Nova.
Let's check the replay out.
The 70 Challenger looks like he's going to take the lead. He hits a bump there or something, and then he gets pulled over on his back. He blocks the cars. There's virtually no speed at the top of that mountain raceway there. But the 68 Nova's right out in front, going down low. Luckily he didn't spin over. And yeah, a convincing win. 68 Nova takes out race 5. 70 Challenger 2 wins, 68 Nova 2, and the 68 Chevy yet to score. Race 6. What a tournament we have here at Mount Western Raceway. The Chevy comes out of turn 1, is taking the lead into turn 2. I reckon he's got this all the way. Oh, the 70 almost flips over. The 68 Chevy Nova is the winner of race 6. Excellent run.
Let's go to the replay.
Bit scrappy going into turn 1. The Chevy's right out in front. The other two cars virtually stop. The Chevy's got some great speed going into turn 2. Not a lot of pace coming out of turn 2. Oh, he hits the sidewall. And is across the line for his first win. So there you go, 68 Chevy Nova 1 win, Challenger 2, 68 Nova 2.
Race 7.
The 70 Challenger out in front. Oh, fantastic speed going down the straight into turn 2, and look at the speed of this. This is how you win Mount Western Raceway. 70 Challenger. Take note other cars, this is how you win.
Let's go to the replay.
It's really anyone's race right up to here. The 70 Challenger though just comes out of turn 1 and just puts it in the top gear, powers into turn 2 and says, I'll check you later guys, I'm out of here. The 70 Challenger, what an awesome win. So there we have it. The 70 Challenger moves on to the semi-finals with 3 wins in this heat. The 68 Chevy Nova with 1 win and the 68 Nova with 2 wins. So as you can see here, moving forward, the 70 Challenger has moved into the semi-final spot. There's one more spot coming up in Heat 3. Stay tuned for that. I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Thanks for watching.